Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to join two electrical systems, one carrying a higher current than the other. For instance, when you want to activate a router or connect your spotlights. So we have a simple, effective way of doing that. We can look at this and say this is your spotlight wiring, and as you may notice, you'll see that they're quite thick and they carry a heavier current. And then we look at these thinner wires, and we are actually going to use the thinner wires to activate the circuit in the thicker wires. And the way we're going to do that is by using a simple relay. And this relay allows you to use a circuit that carries a low power supply to activate a circuit that carries a higher power supply. Example, your spotlight. So for today, when we want to connect up a system like a router system or your spotlights, remember, put in a relay so that your system can be safe and functional.